Take a moment to check out the 2015 Ford Expedition. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 110,000 miles on the odometer. Go big, go bold, go beautiful. This rugged and luxurious Expedition delivers full-size SUV capability, premium amenities, and the latest driver assist and infotainment technology, all wrapped in a sleek, modern package. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, power liftgate, heated mirrors, backup camera, heated rear seat, power driver seat. Fill this full-size, full-strength, up-for-anything luxury hauler with your friends and family and let the good times roll. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.